17 Court Watch now. Attorneys presenting their closing arguments today, and the jury has now started deliberations in the case of a Bakersfield attorney's death back in 2017. And joining me now is 17's Jason Kotowski to discuss what went on inside that courtroom today. First order of business here. What did Prosecutor Eric Smith say about the murder defendant, Nicholas Quintana, and his testimony during his closing argument today?
Well, Smith told the jury, he said that they have two choices. They can either believe Quintana's statement that he fought in self-defense in an effort to escape Vargas's apartment, or it can believe the evidence. He said the jury can't believe both because the blood evidence and other evidence at the scene directly contradicts what Quintana said happened. Quintana testified he was badly injured in the fight with Vargas and was bleeding, yet no blood from Quintana was found inside Vargas's apartment, inside Quintana's car, or any other object tested by the crime lab. Quintana testified he was in a panic and immediately rushed out of the apartment after the fight, but bloody shoe prints show he went to different areas of the apartment before leaving. The prosecutor says he did that because he was looking for items to steal, and he took Vargas's cell phone and laptop before leaving.
Very interesting. So what about the defense? What did Quintana's attorney tell the jury in closing arguments?
Quintana's attorney, Timothy Hennessy, made repeated references to Quintana's youth at the time of the killing. He said Quintana was a scared 19-year-old who was sexually curious and didn't want others knowing about his interests in men. He said Quintana panicked when Vargas refused to let him leave, and the two men engaged in a brutal fight. After Vargas ran from the apartment and Quintana locked him out and then rushed out the back door, got into his car and fled to his girlfriend's house in Long Beach. Hennessy said his client should have stayed at the scene and told police what happened, but he didn't want to go into details as to why he had gone to Vargas's apartment.
Okay, so the jury got the case this afternoon, and anyone's guess how long deliberations will take in this one?
That's right, that's right. They had deliberated for about an hour and a half this afternoon, and they come back tomorrow at 9 a.m.
All right, Jason Kotowski, thanks for the update.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.